Two teenagers, aged 16 and 18, were arrested for stealing a car from a workshop in Tai Sing area on July 9, 2024. The car, belonging to the affected workshop's customer, was later found parked along the road outside the workshop with some damages. Police were alerted at around 11 a.m. and early investigations had revealed that the car was unlocked with the keys which was left inside. Security camera footage helped identify the suspects, who were apprehended the following day. Authorities suspect the teenagers might be involved in another car theft at the same workshop. Both have been charged on the 12th of July with theft of a motor vehicle with common intention and face a maximum penalty of 7 years imprisonment and a fine. The investigation is ongoing. Car owners are advised to never leave their vehicles unlocked with keys inside. As GTA 6 are releasing in 2025, it's important to distinguish between real-world consequences and video games. Video games is a work of fiction, and players should not attempt to replicate in-game actions in real life.